weather continues to affect Turkey. On Saturday, heavy rain hit Sirnak. The Met Office has issued a yellow warning. The amount of precipitation was record high. The rain lasted about 20 minutes. More than 90 millimeters of precipitation per square meter fell. Record rainfall has led to the city's worst flooding in years. Residents share footage of the natural disaster on social networks. The first floors and basements of buildings were flooded. Dozens of cars were trapped in water. Citizens rescued a woman and child trapped in flood waters. Flood damage can take months to recover. Sirnak is a city in southeastern Turkey. The population is about 60,000 people. According to one legend, it was in these places that Noah's Ark ended up after the global flood.